What is up, guys? E-Bike District here. I don't have my mic today, so you're just gonna have to work with me on that, you know. But I will have a mic for my future videos. Today we have a really nice e-scooter today. This is an off-road e-scooter. I've done one previously on my channel, so this is another e-scooter that I'm doing today. Top speed 34 miles per hour. We're gonna put that to the test. Has headlights, tail lights, blinkers, a seat as well. So if you want to sit down, it has a seat. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this open. That's how it looks out the box. I'm supposed to have it flipped on the other side, but it's alright. I'm already seeing the LED lights on the bottom. So yeah, guys, these come with LED lights installed, so that's gonna be awesome. And it is a thumb throttle. You gotta tie in these right here, guys. Hold that while you lift it up. Now let's see. Alright, next is just screwing on the LCD display, and that's pretty easy. Alright, and since you guys stuck around this long, I just wanted to show you guys me going off-road. It handled surprisingly well, really fast. It picks up speed really fast. And yeah, I give this e-scooter 0 complaints. But yeah, if you do plan to go off-roading, make sure to wear a helmet and protective gear, because it's not a toy.